Hi everyone, welcome to the Seize the Day Scrapbook Kit workshop. I want to show you how great these layouts are and how easy they are to put together and the wonderful quality of the finished product when you're done. So I've started by popping out my die cuts and edging most of the edges of some of the elements. So in the waves, I'm using Carolina blue to edge them, just using a sponge. Adds a nice highlight and a little extra oomph to your layout. Then once that's done, I can begin to place them on the left-hand side of the page. And I'm just following the instructions as they are in the kit. And you do receive all of the things you are seeing right now, minus the glue. The Tombow glue is a separate order. Once all that's down, I can begin the steering wheel element, and I'm using toffee ink to edge those pieces. Some of the die cuts just really need that extra definition, and it's such a simple technique to do to really make your page a little extra stand out. Adding my adhesive and placing this in the center of my page. Moving all my nubs, and now I'm going to place my photo so that I can place all the other pieces around it. All right, going to use my Tombow glue to place all these nubs. Now this layout is great for a variety of uses. You can use photos of any vacations you've been on. You can use photos of beach days. Maybe you're a boater and you spend a lot of time on your boat in the summer. Certainly those could go here as well. Lots of different uses. Now I'm going to add where my photo is. This is going to help to ensure I don't glue anything where I shouldn't, because there are elements that go over the photos. For example, this little wave here. I'm going to add glue just to either end so that when I place it down, it doesn't affect the photo and I can easily slide my photo underneath. Next is going to come some of the accessories, including the title, Bon Voyage. This would have been great on an upcoming trip I was going to take, but now it's canceled because of everything going on in the world. The other great thing about this workshop is they are fantastic to do at home while you're under self-isolation. So if you're looking for things to do, you can pick one of these up. They ship in approximately 3 days if you choose the FedEx option, and you'll have it at your door and something to keep you busy while you wait out everything that's happening in the world right now. No need to leave. We have everything you would need. All right, working on the right-hand side of the page now and adding the cardstock and some other elements. I did change one small element on this layout, but that is the kind of thing you get to do when you order these. They're yours. You can change anything you like. So I took a 1/4 inch strip that was supposed to go on the top of the left-hand side and added it to the bottom of the right hand side just to carry on that 1/4 inch strip of blue. Now I'm just going to add my different photo elements around these. Between and on either side of the top one will go photos 3x4 in size. Now I'm adhering the waves. Again, I'm making sure they don't interfere with the photos that'll be placed. Keeping my glue low on the top too helps with that. And now I can build the element on the white piece using these red acrylic shapes that come exclusive in this workshop, and they are so much more gorgeous in person than they are in this video. Adding some stickers, and not afraid to use some foam tape. They really help the stickers shine. Excuse me. Oh, you get all my sneezes. I am so sorry. I've recorded this 3 times and I guess I'm not going to do it without sneezing. Now I'm going to add some acrylic dots and some other stickers. I can feel another sneeze coming on too. How funny is that? I'm not sick. I'm just inside. All right, adding some acrylic dots. Now I'm using some stickles. So the stickles do not come with this workshop kit. They're the one item that I've added beyond glue and foam tape. But they really add some extra wow to the page. You can use them as highlights. So here I've used them on the starfish, the sand dollar. You can use them as page elements or even highlights on the waves. And of course there is the good old-fashioned dots. So in a minute I'm going to add them just as like little dots around the sailboat. One last sticker, and there is the finished layout. You can purchase this at braymontgomery.ctmh.com. Thanks for joining me today, and watch for more videos. Bye.